Hello and welcome, Ryan here from Fiskal, and today I'm going to take you through setting up an omni-channel workflow between Cin7 Core and Shopify. What this will allow us to do is when a customer is purchasing or placing an order on your online store and they select pickup at whatever location is the most convenient for them, Shopify will let Cin7 know where that location is and update the location within Cin7. This allows us to have much more accurate inventory allocations. And yeah, let's get into it. So there's a little bit of setup that is required. We will need to be using our additional attributes. I have already set it up, but I'll take you through the setup process as well. So going to our additional attributes, we can see here that we have Shopify order tags. Attribute 1 is pickup location, and it is a text-based attribute type. So nothing too fancy there. Secondly, we'll go to general settings and ensure that in our sales process, we have that attribute set attached to the orders. So we look at default attribute set, and we can select whichever set is available to us. In this case, we're going to say Shopify order tags. Okay. Then the third step is in our Shopify setup page, under account and cache settings, we will import Shopify sales order tags to pickup location. So you'll notice that this is not the name of the attribute set, but rather the attribute, additional attribute 1, which is the only one that I have a name for at the moment. If I had populated additional attribute 10, then it would have given me that name as well. All right, on over to the Shopify side. We will need to go into Shopify's app called Flow. And in here, we'll need to set up a workflow that says when an order is created. So I'll take you through it now. We can go edit. So when an order is created, then the delivery method is pickup, and the location name is equal to the location that we want updated to. Then add the following order tag, which is a manual type. This can be whatever you want. This is just the reference field, right? For ease of use, we're going to use pickup at Shopify test 002. Okay, Shopify test 002 is one of my locations, and so we say here that the delivery method. So when the customer places the order, they select that they want to pick it up and where they want to pick it up. And so when they select the Shopify test 002, this will trigger. This workflow will trigger, and the order will be updated with pickup at Shopify test 002. All right, then on Cin7 side, we'll need to create a workflow. So you'll need to have the automation module enabled. So we'll select the plus icon on the automation. We'll say pickup, and we're going to apply it to the sales module. Save. We need to select a condition. So this sales workflow will only trigger when our attribute for pickup location equals our tag, our order tag that we are bringing in. So then we can say done. And then when an order is created, okay, the action that then needs to occur is that it sets the sale property, and the property that we're going to set is the location. And now we get to choose which location gets changed. Which location it gets changed to. select the relevant location, done. There we have it. Okay, make sure we save, make sure we activate it, save that. Right, and now when we go to our order, let's place an order. I only have one product available at the moment. Okay, there we go. Customer then says they want to pick it up in store, and they can choose then where to pick it up. We have only set this up for this location, so we're going to say then done. Cool. So it's one test product. Pickup store is Shopify test 002. We're going to mark this as paid. Other, create order. And then just so for this, you'll see that there's no tag yet. I'll just need to refresh here sometimes, a couple of times. Great, okay. So now you can see that we have pickup at Shopify test. Cool. Then when we go to our sales in Cin7, I am going to load our pending orders. All right, let's refresh here on our sales page. Okay. Going into the sale, we can see that the location is Shopify main warehouse because this is where my default location is set to. Right, and we need to refresh this. We'll wait a little while for the automation to run. So I will come back now. Right, so we can see here that it still says Shopify main warehouse. When I reload this, this should update to our new location. And here we go, Shopify test 002. So now this inventory is allocated for that specific location, and all of our inventory numbers are accurate. Right, and that's everything there is for this omni-channel